Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Srish and today is part 2 of my 2-part character design series. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, then make sure you hit that link up there and it should take you to part 1. Watch that first so this one will actually make a little bit of sense. So last week we did some rough thumbnails and some concept sketches for our character that we had randomly generated using an online random generator thing. And if you remember, we ended up with this cool biker chick with a helmet and a leather jacket and a skirt and nose rings. That was an important thing, and long dark hair. So today what we're going to do is take that concept, take that final sketch that we made at the end of part 1 and turn it into a proper illustration. Now, since this is a concept piece, we're not going to go too crazy on the details, and we're not going to like zoom far in and adjust all the little textures. This is only to put across an idea, and that's what a character concept artist does. So yeah, this is going to be a quick speed painting on Photoshop. And if you're interested in learning more about art, then make sure you leave me a comment below telling me exactly what you want to learn so I know to make those tutorials for you. So yeah, without much further And there you go, guys. That is the end of our character design mini-series. Does it count as a series if there are only 2 videos? I don't know. But I hope you've enjoyed it regardless. And I hope you've managed to learn something about the process that a character concept artist does and goes through. And I hope this has inspired those of you who might want to do this for a living as well. And again, if you are wanting to be an artist, if you are looking for tutorials and all that kind of stuff, then make sure you leave me a comment below, and also thumbs up this video so I know that you guys are interested. And if you want to make sure you catch the rest of my art tutorials, then hit that subscribe button down below, or at the end of this video there will be a playlist of all my art tutorials, so make sure you check that out as well. Alright you guys, thank you so much for spending some time with me today and for going through this series with me. It was incredibly fun, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye!